Hello, my friends. Alana from Intense Memories like to share few Easter card or spring cards I made my last 3 days, and I want to share with you. So that is first card. I didn't nothing new. I am really fussy cutting person, so I have many images from last few years, so I just try put thing together. So this is first what I want to share, and we can write something, and here is some stopper, and card look like that. Funny rabbits behind the flowers. Maybe this one. Bottom from card is some Easter card, and I just cut on oval. That is from Mintai's image, and I just add flowers, and here is inside is beautiful thing image. Okay, that is blood yellow color, and also it comes up like that. Next, oh, I just love this image. I don't know where it's from, the image, but that lady who go by bicycle, and here is some birds and spring flowers. And here is also something from piece from Easter card. Next, I copy and fussy cutting many of these rabbits. Here, ooh, that is busy. I really play. And these hands are from Scrap Boys. Okay. Next, I like that. So again, like that. Other rabbit and spring flowers. Oh, that's so sweet, doggies. I like it, all of them. And that card is from, I don't know, maybe 5, 6, 7 years ago. I made it and I found it, so I want to share with you. I have to take muster and make some other, and that is similar, just a little bit bigger. Cute. So how you see is many fussy cutting things, images, so I can make other cards. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.